everyone, welcome to today's video on meristematic tissues in plants. In this session we will learn how plants grow and what role meristematic tissues play in the growth. Let's get started. So all living organisms are made up of cells. In unicellular organisms like amoeba, one single cell performs all life functions. But in multicellular organisms, different cells take up different jobs. These are specialized group of cells form what we call tissues. So each tissue performs a particular function efficiently. Now let us see what is the key difference between a plant tissue and animal tissue. Plants are stationary and need more support, so they have more dead supportive tissues. Animals move, so they need more energy and have mostly living tissues. Plant growth is limited to certain regions, while animal grow more uniformly. The structure and complexity of animal tissues are also higher due to their active lifestyle. So when we talk about growth, in plant cells, they have dividing, which are called as meristematic, or non-dividing, which are called as permanent tissues. But in case of animals, the case is a bit different. They have more uniform growth throughout. Plant tissues are classified into meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. So meristematic tissues are the dividing tissues. They are further classified into apical tissue, intercalary tissue, and lateral meristematic tissues. Whereas the permanent tissues are divided into simple and complex permanent tissues. There are three different types of simple permanent tissues. They are parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. And there are two different types of complex permanent tissues. They are xylem and phloem. So what are these meristematic tissues? They are actively dividing cells. These tissues are found only in specific regions of the plant. The cells have dense cytoplasm, thin walls, and large nuclei. And most importantly, they don't have any vacuoles. Why no vacuoles? We'll get to that in a moment. There are three different types of meristematic tissues based on their location and function. The first type is called as apical meristem, which is usually found at the tip of the roots and the shoots, and it helps the plant to grow. Second type is called as lateral meristem, which is found on the sides of stems and roots, and it is responsible for thickening or increasing the girth of the plant. And the last type is called as intercalary meristem, in which it is located near the nodes or at the base of the leaves, and it helps the plant to regrow and also elongate. So each type play a unique role in plant development. Now previously I had asked you all one question, why there are no vacuoles in meristematic cells? Because vacuoles function is to store either waste or food, which is not required when we talk about actively dividing cells. So that's why they don't have any vacuoles. To conclude, plant growth happens because of meristematic tissues. Apical meristem helps the plant to grow taller, lateral meristem makes them thicker, and intercalary meristem helps with regrowth. These tissues are key to how plants develop and survive in the environment. Thank you for watching. I hope you now understand what meristematic tissues are and how important they are to plants. Keep exploring the amazing world of plant biology. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.